Hi guys. Okay.
I don't have sorry guys, I don't have belt.
Hi guys. Naami diri karon sa forest. Nag-explore mi, nag-visit lang mi diri sa forest sa lahi ni siya nga side. Ang natumba nga tree oh. This is for firewood, dear. No.
Yes, it would be,
But
it's very difficult to pick up here.
oh, really? It's very far.
But
Very far.
far. We have closer. We don't need to come here.
Oh, so pitiful. They will decay.
Yes.
They will decay, guys. Oh. Ato mi. Layo ra ni siya sa balay nga forest. This is like maybe 8 kilometers.
From our home.
Yeah. Why this one is open space?
Power line.
Ah, okay. I did not notice. So mag-explore sa amin sa forest. Adto pangita na yung lake dito sa unahan. Tanaw mi. Ouch. Sugok-sugok. Okay ra man magsugok sa forest diri. Magbutas lang ka. Ouch. Tanawa.